Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful chicken bruschetta recipe. Stay tuned. These are my lovely ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe, guys. So here I have my chicken, guys. This is 2 pieces of boneless chicken thighs. I have some olive oil, complete seasoning, my pesto sauce, salt and pepper, 1 tomato, some basil leaf, garlic, and my baguette bread. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the video, guys, and get started. We're gonna start off by slicing our bread, toast it a little bit, and then season the chicken right afterwards. Yes, guys, so these are my 2 pieces of boneless chicken thighs, olive oil, complete seasoning, pesto sauce, salt and pepper, basil leaf, tomato, garlic, and my baguette roll. All right, so we're gonna jump right into the video, guys, and get started. We're gonna start off by slicing our bread, toast it up a little bit, and then we're gonna start to season our chicken. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so like I said earlier, we're gonna start off by slicing our bread, okay? I'm just gonna do about maybe 10 slices. All right, so these are, I believe, 10 pieces of bread. Yeah, so we're gonna toast these real quick. You know, add some olive oil to the pan, toast it up, and then we're gonna start seasoning our chicken. So we're just gonna add about a tablespoon of olive oil, not much. And we're just gonna spread it all around. Just like that. And you just wanna turn your stove, guys, to about a medium heat. Medium heat. We're not gonna turn it all the way up because we're not trying to burn or toast, all right? And we're just gonna add our bread. We're gonna toast them for about a minute per side. And after they are nicely toasted, then we'll just go ahead and remove them from the pan, all right? This is a super easy, delicious recipe to make at home. All right, so you want to make sure, guys, you wash your veggies, wash your tomato, basil leaf, garlic, and all that good stuff, all right? So we're just going to remove the top. And we're going to dice it up real quick. Time to mince our garlic. All right, so we're not gonna do the whole thing because you don't want the garlic to be too overpowering, you know? All right, so now, like I said, we're gonna mix it up. Add some black pepper, not too much, about a half teaspoon. Just a tad of salt. Mix it up. We're gonna add a little bit more olive oil, just a tad as well. Mix it up. And we're gonna set this aside until the toast is ready. And we're gonna start seasoning our chicken as well. Yes, guys, so as you can see right here, the first side is ready, so we're gonna flip it over. We don't want them to be too dark, you know? We're gonna toast them for another minute. Add a little bit more olive oil, about a teaspoon, just a drizzle, you know, just to make sure everything is evenly, you know, toasted. This is gonna be so good, guys, I'm telling you. All right, guys, so we're gonna dice our boneless chicken thighs. So now we're just gonna add our complete seasoning, guys. All right, complete seasoning. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of complete seasoning. Not much. Mix it up. Then we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. Saute the chicken for about 4 minutes until it's fully cooked, and then we should be good to go. Like I said, you want to add just a drizzle of olive oil. Not much. And I'm using the same exact pan that I used to toast the bun earlier. I just cleaned it out a little bit, and now we're good. So now, add your chicken until you hear that sizzle. That sizzle is gonna be your favorite, you know, best friend right now. And we're just gonna saute our chicken thighs for about 4 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes, it should be cooked. And you want to turn your stove to about medium-high heat at this point. Smelling so freaking good right now. So good. So after cooking my chicken for about 4 minutes on medium-high heat, this is how it's looking. Nice and juicy. All right, so we're just gonna turn the stove off and let it cool for a little bit. So now we're gonna add our pesto sauce. Just a little bit, a little spread. Nice little spread, not much. You know, the pesto sauce, guys, is a little combination of cashew nuts, basil, and some olive oil. You know, you can always add your own twist to it. You could add, you know, some red pepper flakes, you know, whatever you want to add to it. But the basic one, you know, is mainly a nut, some type of nut, and basil with olive oil. Spread it out. After this, we're gonna lay the tomato mixture on top as well, and then the chicken right after. This is an easy to make finger food, guys, that you could have at your party, you know, family, you know, get together, or any one of those type of events, you know. Alright, so that's it for the pesto sauce. We're gonna set this aside. And now we're gonna add our tomato, basil, and garlic mixture. We're not gonna add too much because we're gonna add the chicken on top as well. So this is a little bit, little drop like that. There you go. Just a little bit at a time, just to make sure, you know, all the slices get the right amount. There it is. Tomatoes. right, so here's the fun part, the final part. Now we're gonna add our chicken right on top. So we're gonna top it off with some fresh basil, guys. That is it. Yes, guys, I'm so excited right now. We're at the end of the video. Time for the taste test. All right, so I'm gonna let you know how it is. Wow, guys, it's so good. You know, the toast is nice and soft. You know, it's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. You know, this is like one of my favorite, you know, style of bread. You know, baguette roll, perfect. The chicken is perfectly cooked. The tomato, basil, garlic mixed together, perfect combination, guys. I'm telling you, it's so soft. Wow. Wow. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for some of the wickedest, the baddest, the best recipes in the world. Yeah, man. Check me out.